gonna go on a nature hike. You wanna come with us? Okay. The heater today. You know, people always ask me, Philip, they don't really know my name. They say, Philip, what's the most important thing to take on a hike? I always carry two things. One, I got my pocket knife ready to go, just in case. Two, most important, you're gonna need it. Trust me. If you don't bring one, you're gonna die. It's gonna be a dry fall. Yep. That's nature. That's nature. A lot of people don't know this, but these trees here, they grow here from birth. That's nature. That's my girlfriend over there. She's kind of busy, but that's nature. You know, most people don't know they see nature every day, but it's there. You gotta open your eyes. Yeah, you ever see Harry Potter? Yeah, it's printed on nature. You're welcome, Harry Potter. Oh, not a lot of people know this, but actually all berries are edible. Like, these ones are a little harder, so they're not quite ripe yet, but you can still eat them, they're good. A lot of people don't know that these lakes were caused by glaciers coming in long ago. This here is a natural spring. That's nature. Hey, you gotta look out for bears in these guys. That's nature. A lot of people don't know pioneers actually made the trees and they tried to keep them in here, but you can't keep trees in a box. That's nature. You know, there's a lot of things people don't know about nature, but that's nature. See you next time. No, just remember.
Next time on That's Nature. The guys found a group of kids that are lost out in the wilderness. Who knows if they're gonna make it out alive?